show you guys the process of how I got my Jheri coil done again for the fourth time. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovu. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys the process of how I got my Jheri coil done again for the fourth time, but this time I went in with another kit, Hollywood Solution kit. So that's the kit I went in with this time, and I want to share with you guys the whole process and how she did it, first thing she did, and all the rest. So if this is what you're interested in, then you must definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. So guys, I got the Hollywood Coil Solution kit because Leisure Coil Coconut Oil kit was not available in the market, so I decided to get the other. The man recommended the other and said I should use Hollywood Coil Solution kit. So I was like, okay, fine. Since I'm starting my whole Jheri coil hair journey again, I think this is a great way to start with another kit. And some of you have been asking me, how is the Hollywood Coil Solution kit? Have you used it before and all those stuff? So now I think we're going to learn together and share our ideas together. So this time I'm going to show you guys how I got my coils looking good. And some of you are like, you prefer the Hollywood Coil Solution kit to Leisure Coil Coconut Oil kit. Everybody has their own preference, okay? So it depends on you. My mom was like, the Hollywood Coil Solution kit is good, it looks good, like the coils are so defined and juicy and all the rest. So everybody has their own preference. For me, as long as I've gotten my coils and my hair is not damaged, like my hair isn't breaking out, nothing, no hair loss, I'm cool. I'm cool. That's basically it. So if you want to get more info on this product and steps, the processes of how she did it, because some persons don't actually know how to do a Jheri coil. Some of you are like, I went to hairstylist, this is what she did, this is what he did, he didn't do it well, my hair didn't relax, my coils are not formed. I hope this video is going to be of help to you guys. Be sure to watch it. If you go to a salon, you can actually show the person, so the person will know the first thing to do and what not to do. Give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. No further ado, let's get right into the video. basically those are the processes or the steps and things she did. She did a lot. The method, the way she did my Jheri coil when I was using leisure coil is quite different from how she used the Hollywood coil solution kit on my hair. She's used to the Hollywood coil solution kit because that's what she has been using to like do people Jheri coil. And when I told her about leisure coil and then she used it, she loved it. She was like, it's actually for hair, and she recommended it to so many persons. But now leisure coil is kind of scarce in the market and it's very hard to find leisure coil coconut oil kit. The way she actually got this Jheri coil done this time is different, like totally different. When she went in with the relaxer, she covered my hair for some minutes, and then after covering my hair for some minutes, she rolled. Like, she had to put the rollers. She used injection covers as a roller because she wanted the coils to be tiny. She doesn't want to use a big roller. My hair was a little bit short, so she wanted something that's actually going to make the coils pop. And so she went in with the rollers and then she covered my hair for some minutes. But before she went in with the rollers, she applied the coil booster that is in the Hollywood coil solution kit. They didn't even make it clear on the packaging of that product. So I still have the kit here because the relaxer remains. So she went in with the relaxer first. This is the relaxer. This is Hollywood relaxer. This is what she went in with first. I still have little of it. Then after she went in with the relaxer, this is the coil booster. This is what is written on it, so you know. Coil cold wave lotion, no drip permanent wave. So this is the coil booster. I think this is a coil booster. Then after some minutes, she covered my hair and said I should stay for like 2 hours, and I stayed for 2 hours. Like, I think it was even more than 2 hours, but she said she wants the coils to be defined and for it to pop, so we have to give it time. I stayed for a long time, and then after that she had to wash my hair out, but she didn't remove the rollers. Even the relaxer, she was washing it gently, like on the rollers she was washing the relaxer and everything out from my hair. And then after that she went in with neutralizer. This is the coil neutralizer. And after going with the coil neutralizer, she covered my hair and said I should stay for like 30 minutes plus, and I stayed for 30 minutes plus. After that, I think she went in with the shampoo. This is the coil shampoo, little of it, and that was basically it. And she removed the rollers. As she was moving the rollers, she was cutting the tips of my hair because my hair was not actually even. I'm going to show you guys a short clip of how my hair was before I went to the salon. Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. Yes, so yeah, I had to cut my hair yesterday. My mom helped me cut it, though it's not equal, but I'm going to the salon today because I'm getting my Jheri coil done again. My hair is now like, there's a lot of difference, so that's it. And that was the whole process. And she went in with the coil activator. I told you guys that the coil activator of Hollywood kit came in this packet, like this sachet, just little, and she went in with the coil activator and boom, this is it. And this coil activator, like the one they put in this kit, didn't actually define my hair. My coils were not formed, like it was not popping. After 2 days I went in with jack 5. I had to get another jack 5 because my other coil activators were finished, so I got another. And that was basically it, guys. Like, you can see it's so juicy and nice, like very nice and neat. Like, the leisure coil method is different from the Hollywood method. I want you guys to know that the leisure coil method is different from the Hollywood method, and the kits, the products, like what is inside here, is different from the leisure coil method. If you haven't seen the video of me like showing you guys the difference between leisure coil coconut oil kit and Hollywood coil solution kit, then be sure to go check it out. The video is going to be linked in my description, and it's also going to be in the iCard, so go check it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.